Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the MCAT using Kaplan books. First, familiarize yourself with the MCAT 4 sections: chemical and physical foundations, critical analysis and reasoning skills, biological and biochemical foundations, and psychological, social, and biological foundations. Next, establish a study timeline, allocating sufficient time for each subject. Kaplan's comprehensive set covers all necessary topics, so plan to integrate their review materials into your daily routine for effective preparation. When diving into the Kaplan books, read each chapter actively, highlighting key concepts and making your own summary notes. Pay close attention to the high-yield sections, as these often appear more frequently on the actual exam. After completing a chapter, immediately tackle the practice questions provided. This immediate application helps solidify your understanding and identifies any areas needing further review before moving on. Consistent practice is crucial. After reviewing content, work through practice questions from Kaplan and other reliable sources. As you progress, integrate full-length practice exams into your schedule, perhaps one every 2 weeks. These simulate the actual test environment and build your endurance. Critically review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly, to understand the reasoning and prevent future mistakes. In the final weeks, shift your focus to intensive review. Consolidate all your notes, create flashcards for quick recall of formulas and concepts, and revisit any topics that consistently challenge you. Practice your test-taking strategies, including time management for each section. On test day, arrive well-rested and confident, ready to apply everything you've learned from your dedicated Kaplan study.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.